Hi, fifth graders. I hope you all had a great long weekend. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mrs. Farrell and I'm the math coach at Emerson and Madison. For those of you who do know me, who are at my two schools, I wanted to let you know that you're going to start seeing some other faces on these number talks as well, as the other math coaches in the district are going to start doing some number talks with you as well. So I hope you enjoy all the wonderful content that they bring to you, and I hope you guys continue to work on your mental math skills over the coming weeks. It's very important. So for today's number talk, I'm actually going to show you a picture of some ducks here. Some of you may have started to see ducks around your neighborhood. And so they are the inspiration for our problem today. We're going to talk about the amount of feed that it takes to feed these ducks. So if I were to tell you that it takes 1/4 of a bag, so 1/4 of a bag of feed to feed 8 different ducks. So basically the 1/4 of a bag of feed is going to be evenly divided into 8 different duck bowls. My question for you is, how would we know how much feed is in each bowl? How much of the bag is in each bowl? So really what we're looking at here, right, is 1/4 of that bag, and we are dividing it by 8 bowls. So I want you to think about what your quotient would be for this problem. Go ahead and pause the video if you need some time to think. And then I'll share what my thinking would be. All right. So once you're ready, what I'm thinking about is I'm doing this mentally, but I'm also gonna draw a picture just to help you understand what I'm picturing in my head. Okay, so I know that if this is my bag of feed, I know that 1/4 of that bag of feed is what I'm using to feed those 8 ducks. Okay, so what I really need to think about is how 1/4, this fourth right here, none of this, we're not using these 3/4 over here. This 1/4 bag of feed must be divided into 8 parts. So in my head, I'm trying to think about, okay, what if I were to divide this bag again, only this time it's going to be divided much further, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each of those fourths were divided into an additional 8 parts. So as I'm looking through here, I know that this part right here is the amount that's going to be put in one of the duck's bowls. This part right here is going to be for the second duck, and then the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th, all the way down. So the question I asked you was, how much of the bag is going into each duck's bowl? Well, when I did that, when I had to go through and break those fourths up into 8 parts, what I actually did is turn this whole bag of feed into 30 seconds, because I know that 8 times 4 gives me 32. So now I'm actually dealing with 30 seconds. And I know that only one of those 30 seconds that we see here is going to go into each of those bags. So what I really did was take that amount, that 1/4, and divide it into 8 groups. And when I did that, it changed the entire bag so that I was dealing with 30 seconds now instead of fourths. Okay? So my answer here would be 1 32nd. Each bowl is going to have 1 32nd in it. 1 32nd of the bag of feed in it. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later.